Good morning, class 11. My dear student, topic sequence and series is continued, and today we will learn arithmetic mean. Dear student, there are two parts of arithmetic mean. First is single arithmetic mean. Single AN. Let there are two numbers A and B. Then there is a number X which lie between A and B. Then if AXB form an AP, then X is called arithmetic mean. If A, X, B are in AP, they form arithmetic progression, then X is called arithmetic mean A. And question is how to find the value of X. So we will see the common difference. Second term minus first term equal to third term minus second term. A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore, X minus A equal to B minus X and 2X equal to A plus B. From this we will get X. So, X equal to A plus B by 2. So, this X is called arithmetic mean. So, AN between two numbers is A plus B upon 2. Second is arithmetic mean. There are n arithmetical means between two given numbers. Dear student, next is n arithmetical mean between two numbers. Let A and B are two given numbers and A1, A2, A3, A4 till An are n arithmetical means between A and B. Then A, A1, A2, A3 and so on, An and B, they form an AP. These numbers are in AP. Then the student B becomes n plus 2x term. Position of B is n plus 2x term of the AP. Therefore, B equal to first term is A plus number of terms n plus 2 minus 1 into D. And B minus A is n plus 1 into D. From this, we will get the value of common difference D. D equal to B minus A upon n plus 1. Now, we will find the values of A1, A2, A3 and so on. So, A1, which is the first arithmetical mean. A1 is first A. It is A plus B. And A is A plus D is B minus A upon n plus 1. Now we will take the LCM. So it is An plus A plus B minus A upon n plus 1. Then first arithmetical mean A1 is An plus B upon n plus 1. Similarly, we can find A2. It is A1 plus D and it is An plus B upon n plus 1 plus D, which is B minus A upon n plus 1. After simplifying, we will get A into n minus 1 plus 2B upon n plus 1 and so on. Similarly, we can find an, that is a plus bn upon n plus 1. So these are the n arithmetical means. Dear student, exercise 9.2 and question number 14. Question is, insert 5 arithmetic means, insert 5 numbers between 8 and 26 such that the resultant sequence is an AP. So you have to insert 5 arithmetical means between 8 and 26. Let these arithmetical means are A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Dear student, then these numbers 8, A1, A2 till A5 and 26 form an AP. Since these numbers are in AP, therefore there is a formula of common difference D. D equal to B minus A upon n plus 1. Now here n is number of arithmetical means that we have inserted. So it is 26 minus A upon 5 plus 1, n equal to 5 here. A is the first term, which is A. B is the last term, which is 26. Therefore, it is 18 upon 6, which is 3. Now, A1 is 8 plus 3, which is 11. A2 is 11 plus 3, it is 14. Then A3, it is 14 plus 3, which is 17. Then A4, 17 plus 3 is 20. Then A5, it is 20 plus 3, which is 23. And the next term, that will be 26. Therefore, these are the 5 numbers. They are 11, 14, 17, 20 and 23. Dear student, next is question number 15. If an plus b power n upon a power n minus 1 plus b power n minus 1 is the an between a and b, then find the value of n. Find n. Dear student, there are 2 methods to solve this question. Since an between 2 numbers a and b, that is an plus b power n upon a power n minus 1 plus b power n minus 1 equal to a plus b upon 2. A plus b upon 2 is the arithmetical mean between 2 numbers. Now, if we compare, these two can be written as 1 plus 1 and a plus b. This is an, a power n, b power n upon a power n minus 1 plus b power n. If we compare the power, so there is a power 1, there is a power 1. And there it becomes 0, a power 0, b power 0. A power 0 is 1, b power 0 is 1, therefore it is 1 plus 1. And there is, and so from this we will get n equal to 1. On comparing, we get n equal to 1. So there is a short trick to find the value of n. Now there is an alternate method. If we cross multiply these two terms, then it is 2 into a power n, 2 into b power n equal to a power n minus 1 plus b power n minus 1 into a plus b. If we open the brackets, then we will get a power n plus b power n minus 1 into a plus a power n minus 1 into b plus b power n. And it is 2 into a power n, 2 into b power n. Now, shifting all the terms to the left side, then we will get a power n plus b power n minus b power n minus 1 into a minus a power n minus 1 into b equal to 0. Now, simplifying this equation and just factorizing it. So from this and this, a is common. So a power n minus 1 minus b power n minus 1 plus, now b common, just take minus b common. Then from this we will get a power n minus 1 minus b power n minus 1 equal to 0. Then a power n minus 1 minus b power n minus 1 into a minus b equal to 0. Since a minus b cannot be 0 because a is not equal to b. Therefore, we will get a power n minus 1 minus b power n minus 1 equal to 0. From this, a power n minus 1 equal to b power n. And we can write it a power a upon b whole power n minus 1 equal to 1. Shifting this b to the upon of a. And this can be written as a upon b whole power 0. Now, comparing both sides, both the powers, so we will get n minus 1 equal to 0 and n equal to 1. This way, the given expression becomes an arithmetical mean when n equal to